Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can share games on Steam. Sharing games on Steam, known as family sharing, involves several steps to set up. First, on the borrower's computer, ensure Steam Guard is enabled by opening Steam and going to Settings, select Security, and confirming that Steam Guard is turned on. Next, sign out of the browser's Steam account, then log into the account that owns the game you wish to share and the owner's account, navigate to Settings, select Family, and click Authorize Library Sharing on this device. Choose the account you want to share with and authorize it. Afterward, sign out of the owner's account and log back into the borrower's account. Open the Steam library on the borrower's computer, where you should see the shared game files listed with the owner's name below them. Click Install to download the shared game. It is important to note that only one person can play a shared game at a time, and you can share your library with up to 5 accounts on a maximum of 10 devices. By following the steps, you will be able to successfully share your Steam games with others. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.